Alright gamers, listen up. Been struggling with PS5 storage space? Constantly deleting games to make room for new ones? I feel you. That's why I'm diving into the WD_Black SN850 NVMe SSD. Specifically the one officially licensed for the PS5. This thing is a game changer. First off, it's officially licensed, which means it's guaranteed to work seamlessly with your PS5. No compatibility headaches, no worries about messing anything up. Just plug and play, basically. It comes with a built-in heatsink, which is huge. Keeps the drive cool even during intense gaming sessions, preventing performance drops. Trust me, nobody wants their game lagging in a crucial moment because their SSD is overheating. Now let's talk speed. This bad boy boasts read speeds up to 7,000 megabytes. That's insane. Load times are drastically reduced. We're talking seconds, not minutes. Fast travel in games? Blink and you'll miss it. Seriously, it's that quick. The 1 terabyte model I'm looking at can hold up to 50 games, depending on their size, of course. No more agonizing over which games to keep and which to delete. You can have a whole library at your fingertips. Installation is a breeze. The PS5 has a dedicated M.2 slot just for this. Pop open the cover, slide it in, screw it down, and you're good to go. It's literally that simple. Even if you're not super tech savvy, you can handle this. Now, is it worth the investment? Honestly, if you're serious about gaming on your PS5, I'd say absolutely. The speed boost alone is worth it. The reduced load times, the ability to store tons of games without constantly uninstalling and reinstalling, it just elevates the whole gaming experience. Think of it as an investment in your sanity. No more storage anxiety. So, if you're tired of managing your PS5 storage and you want to experience next-level loading speeds, definitely check out the WD_Black SN850 NVMe SSD. It's a solid upgrade that will make a noticeable difference in your gaming life. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tech reviews.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.